So I got your butt.
What?
I'm getting your butt.
What about my butt?
On video.
No!
Now I get you raping your butt. Look at that.
I'm videotaping your
Her Cleveland?
Or cleaning.
My Cleveland.
Oh, I said, first I thought you said you're Cleveland, and then I thought you said you're Cleveland,
Oh,
and then I thought you said you're Cleveland.
Cleveland. Which loop is it going?
The first one?
Well, there's like 3 different loops.
Yeah, 74.
Ow, I got my finger like right at like up in here.
That's what you get for going slow.
You broke it.
No, I didn't.
You definitely did.
Dude, no.
Dude, yes, huh?
Can this get any more complicated? My vacuum, you just press the button and it sucks the quarter by itself.
Same.
So
It sucks it in.
Do this.
April, you're nasty.
Why?
Because you're a disgusting person.
I'm disgusting?
Yeah.
Then what does that make you?
Makes me less disgusting.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
That's why you broke it.
It's dangling. Do you hear me?
What?
It's dangling. You broke it again!
That's twice now.
She looks like she's in trouble.
She doesn't care. She's like, whatever. I was waiting for it to break again.
Oh god.
Don't break the chair, too. Fail.
No SM action going on here.
What?
No SM action going on here.
SM? Scoliosis?
No.
You know what I'm talking about, Devin, right?
Yeah. Once.
But I'm recording, so I can't say the name.
Is there more?
I'm putting this on Facebook.
Way to go.
Tag her in.
Cassidy doesn't have the balls to do that.
I tagged Nelson in it. Nelson doesn't have the balls to do anything.
Oh, I missed the spot.
Say bye, April.
No, bye.
Say I like to clean.
I like to clean.
No. Say something inappropriate.
I'm getting harassed.